Ready. Ready.
Okay, my name's Scott O'Brien. I own FastLane Garage. We built this 6-door. Started out as just your regular 4-door Super Duty, but I kept having kids, so we have 5 now and didn't have enough seats, so we decided to just cut the truck in half and stretch it. We decided to go with the RBP Max Altitude lift, just simply because it was the biggest one you guys had. They have everything that you need. You can order everything at one time. Your wheels, your tires, your grill, your lights, steps, literally everything that's on that truck is pretty much RBP except for the bumpers. I would definitely recommend RBP to everybody I know. They get your product to you fast, everything's always right, and the quality of their product is top notch.